Haisstronica automatic wire stripper crimper. Fantastic tool. Comes in a nice package. Information on the back, you can see. Tells you everything, how it functions. Let's open it up. So this is the tool. It's got some interesting controls to it. One, this selects the thickness of the wire. It turns back and forth, so it'll from very thin to very thick cut. This device is a spacer, spring-loaded and ratcheted, so you can set the length of the wire you want to strip. And down here are the crimping tools and a cutter. Let's give that cutter a try. Look at that. Cuts it right off. So let's try stripping this wire. It's set for this distance. Booyah! Look at that. Strips it right off. And you can make some fine adjustments. I did a rough adjustment on it, but it works really good. It's got a great grip. This is a fantastic tool. I really recommend it. Look at that. Heavily built. I frankly have never used one as good, and I've been playing with electronics for most of my life. So this is a great tool. I'm very happy to have it.